Hi there and welcome back to the channel. My usual camera has gone, so I'm just using a bit of a webcam thing to record this. So just excuse the quality for a tick. So today's video, I want to show you how you can add some really creative layers to your images using Luminar Neo. No need to go into Photoshop. You can quickly and easily add layers, edit them, adjust them, do whatever you need to using Luminar Neo. So let's jump in and have a little look at what I'm doing. Okay, so I've got this image here of the fabulous Emily from a recent shoot, and I can jump into a whole lot of presets. I can jump into a whole lot of editing. So I'm just going to do a quick little editing. There's virtually no cleanup on this image to do. So I can go into develop and I can play around in there. I'm going to go into enhance and just to use that accent enhance just a little bit. I don't want too much. I want to drop all the way down the bottom to studio lighting, and I want to come down to the face. Of course, if you've got Apathy, you can also use that as well. So I just want to light that face a little bit. There's no eyes. The mouth is pretty good. I'm just going to do a little bit of skin smoothing for the body and the face. Shine removal. This is a great addition. I love this. And blemish removal. And I don't really need to do anything else. I could do a little bit of high key, but that's not what this video is about. So that was just a quick edit. So what I want to do now, while I'm still in the edit panel, is I want to add some layers. So I'm going to click on, come over here to the left hand side, and you've got layers, you've got your image. I'm going to click on that. Now you can get a whole heap of light leaks and bokeh and sparklers and all sorts of things from Marketplace, or you can bring in your own images, which is what I've done here. So I've got this little star leak. I click on that and it pops it over onto my image. Now I'm going to move it to where I want it and put the opacity up. I want to change the mode. So it's got, if you're used to using Photoshop or anything like that, you've still got all your modes. So there's normal, darken, multiply, screen, overlay, etc. So I'm just going to set it to screen so that knocks all the black out. And then I can just lower the opacity as I wish. Now, if I want to add another one, go back in there. Let's add something a little bit different. So I've got another little light leak I want to put up here. And I'm going to change that to screen. So anything that's got that black main background, you can put onto screen and it disappears. Now, if you want to turn it over, just click here, or you can make it, change it from vertical to horizontal. How about we just pop that there? Okay, so now I want to add yet one more. So I'm going to go back into flares. And I've put that over there. Now, you can change the opacity however much you want. I'm going to flip that over. I might change that to soft light. And it's looking pretty good. From here, I can go back into my edits, go into tools, and I'm going to go into develop because it's just gotten a little bit dark there. So I'm just going to boost that up, and that's pretty much it. So you can bring your images straight into a catalog within Luminar Neo, or you can jump in from Lightroom. You can edit it, you can do skin retouching, and of course you can quickly and easily add layers. So how easy is that? So there's no need to go into Photoshop if you find it just a little bit too daunting to edit your images. You just want to go in and do a quick edit, retouch, and add some fabulous light leaks or textures as overlays. It is super easy to do that in Luminar Neo. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. You can check out more in my playlist below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you next time on YouTube. Bye.